नमस्कार, मैं सीए मनमोहन जिंदल, रजिस्टर्ड वैल्यूअर इन सिक्योरिटी एंड फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स. Recently, a case came that a application for the registered valuer is rejected on the basis of fit and proper person. So, what are the conditions in that? We should know, and we should have the conduct of a fit and proper person. IBBI decided the case on 24/11/2023 on fit and proper person. You can download the case from the IBBI site. Name is not written here of the RV because of his personal, to take care of his personal things. So in this case, RV has submitted the application for seeking the certificate of registration as a registered valuer on a particular class under section 247 of the Companies Act 2013, read with rule 6.1 of the Companies Registered Valuer and Valuation Rule 2. But because an application has to be submitted in a standard format in Form A by the registered valuer. As per Rule 3.1K of the rules, no individual shall be eligible to be registered as an RV if he is not a fit and proper person. So this is clearly written in Rule 3, subclass 1 and subclass K. Among others, integrity, reputation, and character are considered to determine if an individual is a fit and proper person. So the three are the main important criteria whether the integrity, reputation, or character of the applicant is good, bad, worse, or the otherwise. A criminal proceedings was pending against this applicant where charge sheet has been filed before the Honorable Special Session Judge Rajkot. So one case is pending against the applicant. Charges were under Section 506 of Indian Penal Code and Section 3(1)R and 3(2)BA of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocities Act 19. So, in view of this, authority formed a prima facie opinion that the registrant ought not to be granted to the applicant as he is not a fit and proper person to be registered as an RV because some cases are pending against the court of law. Applicant has submitted that if a person has not been convicted by any competent court for an offense punishable, then a person is eligible to be registered as valuer until a person is convicted, as per Rule 3(1) subclass 1. So, the case is pending against the applicant and is not convicted by the competent court, so he should be registered as a registered valuer. And further, he has said that a fake accusation is made against him. In personal hearing also, he has mentioned that the case filed against him is fabricated. So kindly provide the registration as a registered bank. The applicant has submitted that accusation made against him false and frivolous. But the authority contention is that he has a limited power, limited issue of consideration, that whether RV is given a registration and on the basis that pendency of the criminal proceedings impact the integrity, reputation, and character of the applicant. So these three words are very, very important. The court, the authority considers that a person should be full of integrity, full of reputation, and full of practice. The offenses under the charges are framed and severe in the nature of and carries maximum punishment as follows. Under section 506 of IPC, imprisonment up to 2 years. Under section 31R of the SC and SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989, imprisonment up to 5 years and fine. And section 325A of SC and ST Act 1989, imprisonment up to 5 years. And so there was a case decided where Delhi administration and other Sushil Kumar by the Supreme Court here decided that characters and the antecedents is one of the important criteria to test whether the selected candidate is suitable to a post under the state. So that was a case of a officer, he has to be appointed into the state. So character and antecedent is one of the criteria. Though he was physically found fit, passed the written test and interview, and was provisionally selected on account of his antecedents records, and appointing authority found it not desirable to appoint a person of such record as constable to disciplinary. The view taken by the appointing of authority is in the background of the case cannot be said to be unwarranted. So the earlier behavior of the person cannot be ignored. So what would be the relevant is that conduct or character of the candidate to be appointed to or not to actual result thereof. If actual result happen to be in a particular way, the law will take care of the consequences. So authority therefore has rightly focused on this aspect and found it not desirable to appoint him to this. So if a person is of less integrity, less character, and less reputational, so he may be debarred or he may be stopped to be appointed to a government service. So, with dealing regulation 3 of Securities and Exchange Board of India, criteria of fit and proper person regulation 2004, the Honorable Security Appellate Tribunal, by its order dated 6 September 2006, examined the amplitude of fit and proper person as good reputation and character of the applicant is very material consideration which must necessarily weigh in mind of the board. CB in this regard, reputation is what other perceives of you. In other words, it is subjective opinion or impression of others about a person that according to the reputation has. So you should be good enough, you should be full of it. And what is material is that what others feels about the applicant who has been charged sheet for such serious offense. Does such person inspire confidence to the stakeholders who can entrust him with the responsibility of valuation based on which economy would allocate resources and market participants who take economic decisions? Pendency of serious criminal proceedings against the applicant adversely impacts his reputation and makes him not a fit and proper person to be eligible as a digital value. The valuation services in market economy lies on mutual trust amongst the valuer and the stakeholders. Based on the professional opinion of a valuer, the market stakeholders undertake crucial economic decisions. So, therefore, it becomes very crucial to endanger as well as safeguard the trust between the valuer and the stakeholders so that decision makers in the market have adequate comfort to take any crucial economic decisions without any fear or any doubt. So, in view of the above, being the serious criminal proceedings are against the applicant, authority has denied the registration on the ground that person is not a fit and proper person. So this is from my side. Thank you very much. Though you can read it by downloading the judgment from the IPPI side, I have just tried to pinpoint some area so that we should make ourselves as a fit and proper person because we are a registered valuer and we are having the responsibility towards the market, towards the society and towards the public affairs. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. नमस्कार. और if you like, kindly subscribe or receive a great thanks from बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. नमस्कार.